Katie and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. If so, you can subscribe. The button is always down below. Post video, lifestyle planning, and more. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing my typical Ipsy unbagging. This is my typical Ipsy unbagging for September. For the Ipsy glam bag unboxing. This is what this month's bag looks like, and I have to say, I'm obsessed with this bag. I love the iridescence, the color. Love the purple. I'm like, purple's always been my color, so very into this month's bag. It is so cute. I love it. Ipsy, I believe is $14 a month. There's still 3 levels. There's the Ipsy glam bag, the glam bag plus, which I believe is $28 now, which I've always wanted to try. And I say that here and there. And then there's also the Glam Bag X, which is quarterly, and you have to be subscribed to either the Glam Bag or the Glam Bag Plus to get that one. I believe that one retails for about like $55. And I love that one. That one was last month. But yeah, that's what this bag looks like. I'm doing a try-on, hence why we have half the makeup on. But yeah, let's just get into this unbagging and try-on. I've actually already recorded a couple of the clips, so yeah, that's what's coming up. And yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing I have to try is a Gold Fade-In MD Problem Tired Eyes Solution Bright Eyes Dark Circle Radiance Concentrate. Good old eye cream, can't go wrong there. I'm kind of excited to try this. It's so weird, it didn't have like a protector on it. That's weird. Oh my god, this is like so hydrating. Like, I love that. Love a good hydrating eye cream. Like, that was super milky, hydrating goodness, and you only really need a dot, and it's so hydrating. So this is a lightweight brightening eye cream. It helps minimize appearance of dark circles, puffiness, fine lines for a youth-rested glow. You only need a dime-sized amount of product under both eyes, which I feel like is true. I feel like that's really all I used. And stuff in the full size of this retails for $55, but I feel like it'll make my eyes look pretty bright. I'm having issues with my skin right now. It honestly even works worse on camera, but we're healing, we're thriving. So next I have a primer to share. And this one is from Sophia and Maple. This is a I Woke Up Like This Skin Perfecting primer. That's what the packaging looks like. It's super shiny because it still has like the plastic layer on it. So we can peel that off. Oh my lord. It won't peel, finally. And I'm actually really excited to try this. Primer is like one of my favorite things to try. Okay, it has that silicone feel, but it's actually not terrible. Like, I don't like that feeling afterwards, but it has like almost like a jelly feel to it, so it's not completely silicone, if that makes any sense. My skin did get like slightly red from this, just from rubbing my face, but honestly I don't know why, but my face is looking more red like on camera right now. Just super weird for me. I don't know what it is today, but yeah, I'm not this red in person. But that was pretty nice. I do want to read more on it. Okay, so the primer, full size of that, retails for $16. So actually that's not too bad. But if you're anything like this, you want your makeup to last, and this primer will help you do that. It's infused with hyaluronic acid, a holy grail hydrator, which is probably why I like it. Love hyaluronic acid. To quench your skin while creating a smooth, flawless base for fresh looking makeup. I'm really excited to see how that works. I always let my primer sit in for like 5 to 10 minutes if I can. And yeah, and then I'll come back and try more of the items. I'll come back with a lot more makeup on, of course. Okay, so the next thing I will be trying is a lip product. This is from Cassis and Cream. This is a long-lasting creamy lip stain. That's the box it came in, which I will be opening. And yeah, so this is what it looks like. I'm really excited to try this. And this is actually by Seraphine Botanicals. I think Cassis and Cream is just the name. So yes, it was Seraphine Botanicals. I have to get this plastic off, then we can try it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I actually really like the packaging. I like the dark browny purple. That's how I would describe it, and with the silver cap. And then that's what the color looks like. I'm really excited, so I'm just gonna go right in. It's actually like a pretty like cranberry red color, which I don't really get to use that often. I feel like you could also apply it just a tiny bit and it would give you like a nice, more natural color. But let's look into this product to get more info, which before I get there, I probably should say the theme of this month is You Got This. That's what the card looks like, and unfortunately this month they didn't put like the products, they just put like this in the middle, which I hate when they do that. They do that every once in a while. But there is a QR code, which I believe would bring you to the theme and give you more information on that. But I love that You got this, because we all need like that motivation every once in a while and stuff. But yes, so the Seraphine Botanicals Long Lasting Color is in Cassis and Cream. That's the name of it. Just such a random name to me. This product I believe is full size. It retails for $24, so this very much so pays for the bag if you think about it, because you're getting something that's more valuable than the bag. I don't know, I'm kind of vibing with the color, kind of feeling the mood, and I love it. It is pretty creamy, and it also tells you can swipe it over your lips for a vibrant stain and deep hydration, or you can blot with a tissue and add another coat or super saturated, which I'm just gonna keep it how it is because I feel like it's a vibe. I'm feeling the vibe. So now I have two more things to try. So the next thing is from Lottie London. This is their Power Foil Metallic eyeshadow. I did end up choosing this. This is in the shade Outlast. This packaging is so interesting to me. Like, that's what it looks like, and then there's this metal thing. I don't know if you guys will be able to tell because I'm trying not to pour that out. I don't know if you're supposed to pull that out because there's more product under, but there's enough where I can just get it out of there like that. So I think I'm just gonna keep it how it is right now. But before we do that, I'm gonna just do a quick rhyme. I don't really need to because I did my concealer and powder, but primer just works, and I always use a primer. So priming quickly. Then I'm quickly just going to set the lids with like a just cream white shade, which I always do because I always find it makes the shadows just more vibrant, and it like blends everything. It makes everything just go on smooth, which I love. I have no idea where my typical crease brush is, so I'm just going to use this brush and just take one of the just natural browns from the palette. And I'm just going to blend that into my crease. Not really neatly, but how I usually do it. And now I'm going to go in with that shadow, but I actually have a brush to try, which I'm really excited about. This one's from Firma. This is their 204, which I thought I had the 204, but maybe I don't. I don't know, I'll have to report back on that because I thought I had the 204, but maybe I don't. I'm really curious how this is gonna apply like alone, so I'm gonna try that first. I'm not really sure. Oh, that's really pretty. There's a slight bit of fallout, but I think it'll be okay. Just because I want to see like how they will compare. I'm gonna take a little bit of glitter glue and try that on the other eye to see a comparison. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of that like around probably like half of my lid, and let's see the difference. It's like a little bit more pigmented, but not like too much of a difference. So that's compared. It's definitely more like amplified on this eye, but they both look really good. I do want them to match though, so I'm going to take the glitter glue and amplify that up, and then apply a little bit more and really just amplify that. I love, and I'm gonna blend. I love how that looks. I like didn't zoom you guys in. Me bad. I'm like really obsessed with how it looks. There's a little bit of fallout, but I think it like wiped away pretty well. If anything, next time I would just do eyes first, which I don't really love doing, but you know, it's whatever. So that's it for everything in my bag, but I'm gonna go finish off the rest of my makeup to give the full look. And I'll be right back. Okay, so the makeup is all done, and this is giving like full-on fall vibes. Like for real, between the eyes and the lip. Fall vibes for real. I really liked this bag. It wasn't like anything that really blew me out of the way, but I still really liked it. I liked the primer, which with the silicone feel I wasn't expecting, but I actually really like it. It'll be interesting to see like how my makeup lasts with it. But take a smooth base. Really liked this eye cream. I thought it was really nice. Loved this eye color, and I definitely will get a lot of use out of that. The lip color was interesting. I kind of like it though. Kind of liking it. Also really liked this brush. Really nice, and I liked it for like the lid color. It was really nice doing that. That was everything for this month's bag. I really enjoyed it. Nothing really blowing me out of the way, but it was still like really nice. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this unbagging and try on, I figured it was time to do one of these because I haven't been doing them as much and stuff. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, so close to 500. It's super exciting, and I appreciate all the love. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.